So today I'm gonna do some wet sanding and polishing. I want to try and wet sand polish and get this thing waxed today. Paul, I think we're gonna try and get the timing thing checked. He also picked up some tractor paint, tractor hardener, or like the enamel hardener. He's got an assortment of brushes, and he's pretty much gonna get all of the red painted. So that should be a blast for him. And yeah, and it looks like he's trying to get his garage cleaned up. So, but yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, so I've wet sanded this bumper, this fender, the door, the bottom part of the door. Well, it's all one piece, but got that wet sanded so far. And now we're probably going to run to Walmart. We need to get some bug spray. And then Paul has a air filter right there. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up putting one on. And I'm basically it's going to go right here. It's going to come in here. I'm probably going to have to notch this out, which is all right, because you can tell I really half-assed cleaning this up. So maybe we can cut out a good chunk of that half-ass. Yeah. So that's the gist of what we're going to do today. That's what we're about to do. So, yeah, let's do that. All right, ran into a kind of a design flaw. Basically, the turbo sits too close to this, so a filter really won't fit on there unless I like really cut into this more, and I don't want to. So I did cut it, obviously, but I'm actually all right with that because now you can really see the turbo in there. I went ahead and made this little turbo screen on there. Used up some aluminum like mesh screen, and then used a 4-inch coupler, cut off a little strip, and then obviously a little T-bolt on there, and I pushed on there pretty good, so it should hopefully hold up. If not, well, that's gonna suck. But yeah, so there's that. Even though it really can't make it too far, it's pretty much just gonna go right into the intercooler. So, and it'll fuck up the turbo, so at least it won't break the motor. But let's not hope for that. I'll probably actually order the turbo one, because that'd be nice. Yeah, that's where we're at. Now I'll go back to sanding, because we're not going to have to go to Walmart, at least not yet. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, so it is wet sanded, polished, or what is it? Buffed. I buffed it.
Buffed it with polishing.
Well, yeah, rubbing compound, whatever. So the whole car's been done that, and then I wiped it off. And now we have some turtle wax, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install some wax. It's just easy. Done. All right, there it is. Stupid shiny. Let's go drive this bitch on some gravel roads now. Yeah, looks pretty good. I mean, you can see some of the flaws, really. I don't know, it's really hard to capture, but turned out pretty good. I mean, you can see all my lack of making it really smooth. You can see all the divots and shit, but overall, turned out pretty good. Not bad. And we didn't polish these because it says not to use it on flat paint, so we'll listen for that. But yeah, turned out pretty good. Now I'm gonna clay bar the windows. Clay bar this window, that window, and that window. Maybe do the back window. Maybe not. We'll see. But I'm going to clay bar it and then use the wax and wax the whole window. And then it should be good, so water will never even think about touching my car. So let's do that. Okay, so just got done. Literally took a razor and clay bar all the windows, inside and outside. And yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and, you can tell by the way it's super fucking shiny. Now I'm going to go ahead and bust out the wax, and I'm going to wax all the windows on the outside, and then we'll wipe it off, and she should be pretty water repellent. Maybe I'll do a test or something. Can pour some water on this thing, I guess, beforehand, and then after. We can see how that works. Okay, so this is a non-clay barred window. Nothing's been done to it. So there's that. And we come down here to a clay barred window. Pretty good. I don't know if you can really see that. Pretty good. Now we're gonna put some wax on and we'll see how that does. All right, so everything is shiny. Now let's see if this works any better. Yes. Yes, it does. That works really well. I'm in. I think it was just pouring out the bottom of the door. Solid. All right, well, that's cool. Wasn't wasting my time. All right, so that's pretty much the gist of what's going to go down today. I was going to try and maybe start on the splitter, but unfortunately, Home Depot is closed. So, oh well. We got it all polished up. Windows clean, all that good stuff. So, you know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.